Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. So I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and financial modeling and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. And then I will take you through the entire interview process. And at last, so I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameter. Okay. So now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first thing that you will be requiring is the conceptual knowledge. So you should have a good knowledge of basics of finance, accounting, and time value of money. Then you should be able to understand P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow, how the financial statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. Then you should know like how to work on different types of model like the DCF, LBO, and merger and acquisition model. So then you should also be well versed with like how a business basically generates with revenue from its different kind of revenue streams. Okay, so what are the different kind of costs which are associated with the business? So then only you'll be able to do the forecasting for a company. Okay, then the financial modeling is not just about basically preparing a Excel model and just doing something with the numbers. Okay, so how you are basically presenting your data with the have for dashboard charts and storytelling, so that also really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skill that the investment bank firm or any recruitment firm basically looks into you. Okay, so now I will be talking about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling jobs opportunity. Okay, so the first thing that they will be looking in you is what is your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from. Okay, along with that, so they will also be checking your how much you have scored in these post graduation and the graduation degrees, like the percentile, percentage, or grade, whatever is the case. So then along with that, so they will also be checking what kind of skill set that you have. Do you have the basic to advanced Excel skills? Then do you understand the financial statements very well, like the financial analysis skills if you have? Then problem solving skills. So if you clear on both of these parameters, so then you'll be moving towards the interview process. So then only your resume or CV will be selected for the interview process. Okay, so let's assume so you clear on both of these parameters, so and you have been selected for the interview process. In the first round, you'll be going through a case study wherein they will ask you to basically work on industry overview, financial model, or Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear the case study round, so then you'll be moving towards the technical round. So in the technical round, so they will be checking you on the how much you understand about the finance basics, like the accounting ratio related questions and answer can be asked. Then in so they can also ask you a few questions related to the investment banking, such as WAC, beta, DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and equity value, etc. Okay, so then once you clear the case study and the technical round, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So in the HR rounds, they will check your attitude and your behavioral aspects. And along with that, so they will also be checking your soft skills, like how do you basically communicate with the HR, and so your communication skills will be assessed. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, so then you'll be selected for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so this is the entire interview process that I've just took you through. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I'm going to review a financial modeling course or the investment banking course by Wall Street. Okay, so the course name is Breaking into Wall Street. So in this course, you'll be able to master Excel, financial modeling, and PowerPoint skills. So you'll be going through the 302 videos and detailed guides, Excel PPT files, and more. And we'll be able to complete 10 plus detailed global case studies. No other training provides the same conceptual and the practical expertise. And you'll be able to prepare for the interviews and for the job. So detailed study plan give you different pathways to post completion. Okay, if I go down to like look into like what all they are covering. So this particular premium package gives you a leg up over everyone else with the detailed training for the three most important hard skills in investment banking and private equities. Those are your ability to answer technical questions and build financial models, your skills with Excel, including the key shortcuts, formulas, and formatting tricks, and your PowerPoint skills, including quick alignment, formatting, the slide master, and more. Okay. So along with that, so you'll be getting the BIWS premium package. Okay. So there would be a ton of other stuff in the package, including investment recommendation templates, sample pitch decks, and the end of course certification quizzes. So, but if you master the core Excel, PowerPoint, and financial modeling skills, so then rest is icing on the cake. These are the details related to this course. So you'll be getting a hands-on like Excel and VBA, core financial modeling, PowerPoint Pro, and the BIWS premium content that they have built over a period of time. So let's check if they are covering anything on the placement part. So they have not talked about the placement part on their website. Okay. So talking about the internship, they have not mentioned anything about the internship. So they're just talking about like in case you want to prepare for these kind of things. So there will be some pre-recorded videos that you can go through for this purpose. Okay. So now I'm going to review this particular course based on certain parameters which are listed on the left of this table. So if we talk about the course depth, then it is going to be a very good course. Excel skills that you will be learning in this course. So live session will be missing. Live doubt session will again be missing in this course. So internship support, placement support will again be missing in this course. So course fee will be good. Okay, so this course is basically available for a fee of 500, near close to $500. So that will be roughly about 40 to 45,000 rupees that you'll be paying for this course. Course duration will be good. Money back guarantee. So they have mentioned about like in case you are not satisfied, then you can claim for the money back. LMS access is something that you'll be getting in this course. So based on these parameters, so this course has scored 6 out of 10. Okay, in case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of financial modeling and investment banking, I can suggest a better financial modeling and the investment banking course, which basically comes with a complete package which covers all the aspects that you expect from any financial modeling or investment banking course. Okay, I'm going to provide the details related to that course in the description box. Please check this out. Okay, so in case you need any kind of further assistance from my end, so feel free to ping in the comment section. I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video, and thanks for watching the video.